Hello everyone, welcome back to Code's project. In today's video, we're going to be solving the best time to buy and sell stock problem on LeetCode. So don't worry, I'm going to break this down step by step and make it super easy for you to understand. Before we dive in, imagine you have a time machine. You can see the stock prices for the next few days and you want to make the most profit by buying on one day and selling on another. The catch over here, you can only do one transaction. Sounds fun, right? So let's take a look at what we have. Go ahead and pause the video and take a quick look at the question. So we're given an array prices where prices of I is the price of a given stock on the ith day. We need to maximize our profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. And then we need to return the maximum profit we can achieve from this transaction. And then if we cannot achieve any profit, we need to return 0. Okay, so how exactly are we going to do this? For each day, we need to make note of two things. What's the lowest price we have seen so far? This could be our ideal buying point. And then can we make a better profit by selling today? Think of it like as we walk through each day, we're keeping track of the best deal we have seen, which is the minimum price, and then the best profit we can make if we sold it today. Okay, let's go into the code now. We have a function max profit, which takes in prices, which is a list of integers, and then we need to return an integer. I'm going to start by creating a variable to store my minimum price. So I'm going to name that as minimum price. And we're going to start with infinity as our minimum price. Okay. And then I'm going to start with our max profit as 0. And now we're going to loop through our prices, and then we're going to see if the current price what we have is our lowest price we have seen so far. If it is, then we go ahead and change our min price. So for I in prices, if it is the lowest price, we'll have to update our min price. So min price is equal to minimum of our min price and our I, the current price. And then what's our profit if we're going to sell it today? I'm going to create a new variable for that. I'm going to name that as profit, which is going to be our I minus our min price. And then will this be the best profit we have seen so far? Let's go ahead and update our max price. This is going to be our maximum of our maximum profit what we had initially set. And it's and our current price what we have, current profit what we have so far, which is this profit. I'm going to name this as current profit. So it's going to be max of our max profit and our current profit. And then after the loop finishes, we can go ahead and return our maximum what we have so far. Return max profit. Okay, so let's break this down. We are starting by setting our minimum price to infinity because any real price will be less than that. And then we are initializing our max profit to 0. This is because that's a baseline. If we can't make any money, we have to return the profit as 0. And then for each price, we update our minimum price if we find a lower one. And then we calculate what's the profit we had made if we sell the stock today. And then we update our maximum profit if this would give us a better return or not. And then finally, after the loop finishes, we go and return the maximum profit what we have seen. Now let's talk about the efficiency. We only need to go through the array once, and at each step we are doing simple comparisons. So this gives us the time complexity of big O of n, where n is the number of days. And we have only used 2 variables, so our space complexity is of 1. And that's it. We have solved the stock trading problem. Let's go ahead and run the code now. All right, all of our test cases are passed. And we have solved the stock trading problem using a simple but effective approach. Remember, the key thing here is to keep track of the minimum price, which we have seen, and constantly check if selling at the current price would give us a better profit or not. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment if you need any specific video or if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.